everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will explain practical concept behind the public IP, private IP and elastic IP. In my last video I have explained these things theoretically using the slides. So let me take you through with the further steps. Here I am in the AWS console. From here I will click on the ec2. Either I can click from the recently visited tabs or I can search any AWS services from here. So I have searched ec2. Now I will click on ec2 and it will take me to the ec2 console. In the ec2 console I can see I have one instance running, so I will choose it. Apart from that running instances, it will also show like how many elastic IPs we have, key pair, placement, group, snapshot, and the count against each of features. So let's go to the instance running, which is one currently. So here you can see my demo server instance is up and running, and when I will choose this instance, it will show me detailed information regarding this instance, like details, security, networking, storage, status check, monitoring, and tags. For now we will only focus on the details tab, and also very few information in the detail tabs as well. For security, networking, storage and other tabs, I will post other videos which will contain the more details regarding these tabs, as well as the complete steps for creating an ec2 instance with all the possible options available in the AWS. So here you can see we have an instance ID which is unique for each and every instance and can be referred while associating or disassociating from other services. Then we have a public IP, so definitely this is our public IP. If I will copy this IP and will run this, we can access this from anywhere. So as the name suggests, this is the public IP and this can be accessed from anywhere. Again, after that we have the private IP. So as the name suggests, private IP, if I will try to run this, we will not see any output from this, because this is a private and we cannot access this publicly. So it's still loading, getting no response, and finally it's saying this site can't be reached. After that we can see it's showing instance state which is running. There is public DNS. Again, if I will copy this public DNS and will try to run this, it will also show me my whatever my instance has. It's showing the result here, so it's working. Similar to the public DNS, we have the private IP DNS name as well. We have instance type. Currently I am using T2 micro, because this comes under the free tier architecture. We do not have any elastic IP as of now, so it's showing blank. Auto assigned IP address. So when I have created this instance, I have to choose option of auto assigned IP. So this IP has been assigned automatically. Apart from that, it also contains several other information like VPC ID, subnet ID, AMI ID, and so on. So let's see how the public IP will get changed when I will start or stop the server. So I have chosen my instance here, and from actions, from instance state, what I will do, I will stop this instance first. Currently my IP is 226 and 117. So I will remove the filter instance state equals to running. It means this will only show the instance which are in running state. So when I will remove this filter, it will start showing all the instance with all the instance state types. So this has been stopped. Now I will choose this again, go to the instance state and start instance. What this action will do, this action will start the instance, as well as this will change my public IP. So currently this is in pending state. It will take few seconds. Now what I can see, my public IP has been changed. Earlier this was 44201226 and 117, and now the public IP is 54211146 and 90. Now I will hit this and I will see the same output. So everything has remained same, but my public IP has been changed. So to fix this problem, what I will do, I will go to network and security, and here I will choose elastic IPs, and here I can see currently no elastic IP found in this region. So what I will do, I will allocate an elastic IP address. So network border group already chosen. I will click on allocate simply. I can see one IP has been allocated, and this is my elastic IP. After the allocation, what I can do, I can select the elastic IP, and from the action I can associate this elastic IP address to the AWS EC2 instance. So here in the instance search bar I can see my demo server running. I will choose this and I will associate this. So now I have associated my EC2 instance with the allocated elastic IP address. Now I will go to the instance again, and when I will reload this, what I will see, let me select the instance. My public IP address has been changed, and now I can access my instance using this elastic IP, and this elastic IP will not change when I will restart or reboot the instance. So let me reboot again, and we'll see whether it is getting changed or not. So it's still in initializing stage, means the process has not been completed yet. It may take few seconds. Now I will select my instance, and we can see our IP, public IP, has not been changed and it remains same, and that's the power of elastic IP. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.